day viewers, my name is Aslim Doshe from Jack Solution Hub. Today we're looking at a topic in physics. So these are basic parameters in physics, I mean to say. The distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. They are called basic parameters in physics. I believe this is not the first time we are seeing them too. But let's take a look at them, starting from distance. Now what is distance? If I should walk from a point here to another point here, and it is 20 kilometers. Now you can see that I walked 20 kilometers without any direction. I didn't say that I walked east or I walked west. No, I only walked a particular distance. That is what? A distance for you. Now what then is a distance? Now distance is the measure of how far a body, an object has traveled in a space or at a particular time. Good. What about displacement? How about this distance covered was given a direction? Let's say I have 20 kilometers east. 20 kilometers east. Now this is my cardinal point. This is north. This is south, west, and then east. If I were to move 20 kilometers east, I will move on this lane, this line. So this is 20 kilometers east. So that is displacement. The distance covered in a specific direction is referred to as displacement. A distance covered in a specified direction. Okay? Let's also consider this. But before we continue, do you discover anything about these two guys? They have a similar property, which is what? Magnitude. This man has a magnitude, which is distance, and displacement also have a magnitude, and now together with direction. So that is the difference. While distance is a scalar quantity, displacement is a vector quantity. Let's come to speed. What is speed? Okay, now speed is the rate of change of distance with time. Distance with time. Now speed works with scalar quantity. Hence is also what? A scalar quantity. While velocity is the rate of change of displacement with time. The rate of change of displacement with time. So velocity works with vector quantity. So it's also what? A vector quantity. Are we together? Now speed is equal to distance over time, like we mentioned. Distance, speed, distance, and time. What about velocity? Velocity is equal to displacement over time. Displacement over time. Velocity, displacement, and time. Good. Let's consider acceleration. What then is acceleration? Now this is the rate of change of velocity with time. Accumulated what? Speed. Now you move from one point to another, you change speed. Maybe let's assume that you are traveling from Warri to Lagos. Now the same speed you left your house, that is not the same speed you're going to continue with. At the time you have to change speed. Now the rate of change of speed is known as what? Velocity. But the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. So get these two right. Now our acceleration A is given as velocity over time. Good. So if you look at these formulas here, you can see that they have a similar character. And what is that character? Time. Are we together? Time. Everything functions with what? With time. I believe with this, you should be able to identify the formulas and definitions of what is meant to be in a particular distance or displacement or velocity or speed. So this is your acceleration, the formula for acceleration, this is your formula for velocity, and this is your formula for speed. Thank you.